Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, children, good morning. Have you done this exercise?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Have you done this? Ishika, Kavyansh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
First exercise is done? Okay. We did the entire exercise? What about the second one, beta? Second? Yes, is the second one? Second is also done? Others are not
Yes,
speaking because they don't know
Yes,
only.
ma'am.
Third one, let's do.
We have to do.
Yes, good. I'll just give you time, plan your answers, then we'll discuss. Don't write anything as of now. Just plan the answers. Okay, till here, she dashed 20 tomorrow. And raise your hands. As you raise your hands, I'll discuss the answers with you people. Don't write anything as now. Raise your hands, those who prepared the answers. Niharika has raised her hand. Others also. Hurry up, beta. Plan your answers. Don't write.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, Shrishti is saying that she is in the waiting room. Please let her in.
Beta, the class started at what time?
9:05.
9:05. We still have 1 minute. Let me admit her. As a rule, only 5 minutes we are allowed. So as of now, I can admit her. But then everybody should get into the habit of joining on time. Let me see how many hands raised now.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of mend?
Mend means to repair, किसी चीज को ठीक करना. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
To improve. Cherry, let's start. Mother will be happy when she dash you.
When she will
Then she will see you.
Yes, very good. Because it is future tense, it is written will over here, so we'll see you. When father dash, I will show him everything.
When father will return,
Will return.
I will show him everything.
It is will now. So when father will return, I'll show him everything. I dash station before the train arrived.
Ma'am, will reach.
I reach
I
the
reached
station before train arrived.
the train arrived.
Because you see, it is arrived. It is past tense. So I reached station before the train arrived. If you dash me, I would have come.
Informed.
You inform.
If you
I'm informed.
Because it's written would, it's past tense. Unless he dashes way, he will be sorry. See, it's will be sorry. So what is it? Which tense? Unless he
will mind.
Unless he will mend his ways. Mend means improve. So unless he will mend his way. If I dash a bird, I would fly in the sky.
Become.
No, better change from this be.
If I had been.
If I had been a bird, this is also correct. If I were a bird, that is also correct. She dashed her dinner when the phone rang.
Has been.
Had her dinner.
She had her dinner. Yes, she had her dinner when the phone rang. As soon as you dash the first installment, the AC dash. So this you leave because we don't have the blank. Let's leave this sentence because this sentence is not coming complete. They usually dash to Delhi by car.
They usually
Goes.
No, beta, it is they. Plural. So it is go. Singular is goes and plural is go only. So they usually go to Delhi. Go will remain go only over here. There will be no change because it is plural over here. Who dashed to be a slave? Yes. Who dashed to be a slave?
Likes.
Very good. I got the answer, but a little late. Good. Who likes to be a slave? None but the brave dash the fair.
Ma'am, deserve.
Very good. Deserves. Very nice. Deserves. I dash my parents every weekend.
Ma'am, visits.
I. With I, it is not visits. It is I visit my parents. Okay, I visit my parents. We cannot drive until the snow
Melts.
Ma'am, melt.
Very good. Melts. She dashed 20 tomorrow.
She will be 20 tomorrow.
Yes.
Will be 20.
She will. What is it? She will be 20 tomorrow. Yes, beta. Let's do it together. First one was?
Will see.
Yes. Second?
Will return.
Return.
Children, speak out. Third one.
Informed.
Reach.
No, this one. Station. This one.
Reach.
Reached.
Fourth.
Informed.
Okay. Fifth.
Will meant.
Yes. Next one.
Had been.
Dinner one. Tell me the answer.
Had.
We had a dinner. This we are not doing. Come to this one. They usually
Go.
go. Next.
Ma'am,
Like.
likes.
Who likes to be a slave? Correct. We cannot drive until the snow
Melts.
melts. And what about this last one? She dash be 20 tomorrow?
Will be.
Yes, she will be 20 tomorrow. This is exercise 3. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So put
ma'am.
on Anji beta, put today's date, write exercise 3 and just write the answers. Just the answers, bache. Okay? And raise your hands quickly. Very nice class. Very good, children. Hurry up, please. Just the date and write headings. Let me see. Lakshya is there. Abhishek, good morning. Abhishek Sharma. Okay, he's an invisible man and he thinks I'm going to mark him present with this. I will not mark present. I will not give notebooks marks until you post your work on the group. Very simple. Gaurav, good morning.
हम last class में भी यही हुआ था.
Morning, ma'am.
हाँ तो ठीक है. Let him get 0 for attendance. Let him get 0 for notebooks. You have 10 marks internals. I hope you know for this UTs. 5 marks are for notebooks and 5 marks are for attendance. So those who are
Yes,
not
ma'am.
coming, 0. Absolutely 0. You have a PTM also on Saturday. This Saturday. Gaurav, good morning. Oh, one more.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, Gaurav
I'm in
is there.
school.
No, beta, it's online only. Mohammed Kaif,
Okay,
good
ma'am.
morning. Saturday
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
Okay, he's
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
Navjot, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Srishti,
मैम उसका माइक अनम्यूट
Okay.
नहीं हो रहा है वो बोल.
tell her कि वो meeting leave करके she should join again. That is the only option.
Okay.
If there is a problem, this is the only way we have beta. Yes, Saida Fatima, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Akshat, good morning. Akshat Sharma. Oh, one more Akshat Sharma. Akshat Sharma, invisible man. Good morning. Very nice. Good. Finish it quickly, children. Raise your hand. They will suffer. These children, they will suffer. Once you finish, raise your hands. Quickly write the answers. Make sure you put today's data. Put today's data. Just raise your hands. Let me see how many have done. Hurry up, children. Just 5-6 hands raised. What about others? Hurry up, please. 7 hands now. Okay, let's do this by the time they are finishing. I dash my parents every weekend. Acha, we've already done this.
Yes.
Okay. Plan your answers for this one, beta. Do it till here, the train, and raise your hands. Please do not write. Write only once we have discussed the answers. Do not write. Keep raising your hands who are ready with the answers so that I know how many are done. Since it's only 3 hands, we'll wait for others. Let me see how many now, beta. 4. Okay. Hurry up, others. Okay, beta, let us discuss now. Okay. My mother dashed at 4 a.m.
Ma'am, got up.
Got up.
Both are correct. Got up or gets up. If it is a routine that every day she gets up at 4 a.m. So for routine, we would have said gets up. So both are correct. Are you dashed to what I'm saying?
Ma'am, listening.
Very
Listening.
Very good. Because it is ing over here, so listening. Have you ever dashed to Switzerland?
Ma'am, been.
Very
Have-
nice. Very nice. Very nice children. बहुत ही अच्छे. Good. Your grammar is really good. Kashmir dashed the Switzerland of India.
Ma'am, has been.
No, is. See, whenever there is be, options can be is, was, were, are, been. So is. Kashmir is. Abhi bhi to hai. So Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. What you dash when I knock the door?
Ma'am, doing. Ma'am, are doing.
What you?
Are doing.
No, it's knocked, past tense. So what you were doing?
Were doing.
Are doing, not are doing,
What?
because it is written knocked. What you were doing. Ever since I came here, it dash.
Ma'am, had been raining. Has been raining.
Has been raining can be correct, no doubt. Any other options?
Ma'am, will be raining.
Beta, it's came now. So we cannot go to future. It has been raining, can be there. I thanked him for what he
Done.
Has
see over here. Has done or did. Both are correct. If you go according to this past tense, then it should be did. Or if he has just done it, then has done. I thanked him for what he has done. Or I thanked him for what he did. Rohini dashed for London last Sunday.
Left.
ma'am had
Left.
Left. Because it is last Sunday. The train dashed before she reached the station.
Ma'am, left.
Yes.
Left.
The train left or the train had left. Both are correct. Okay. Train left before she reached the station. The train had left before she reached the station. Okay. This is going to be exercise 4.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Exercise 4. Please write down the answers. Raise your hands. Good, good. Just raise your hand so that I get to know the right picture. Let me see how many are done. Good. Very good. Is there anyone who wants me to wait or should I go further? Should we move on? Yes, beta. Let's do this. You dash take the medicine and go to bed. Tell me. You dash take the medicine and go to bed.
I'm best.
You know it's better is okay. You better take the medicine and go to bed. Better will remain better. Meera dash for a permanent job.
Looked.
Yes. Anyone else?
Is looking for a permanent job.
Yes. Better. Meera is looking for a permanent job. Next one. I always dash that fact is stronger than fiction.
Ma'am, we can leave
Believed.
that like.
I always believe.
Yes, beta. I always believe. There is no need to change the tense because it is written always. Kal bhi tha, aaj bhi hai, kal bhi rahega. It's written always. So we never change the tense when it is always. So I always believe that fact is stronger. My sister dash me up daily.
Ma'am is bringing.
No. My sister
Ring
dash
me daily.
brings me up.
Has
Because
rang.
beta, it is daily now. It's a routine. So whenever it is a routine, we always use S. Like in the first sentence, I told you my mother gets up at 4 o'clock. Anything which is a routine, we always use this. Okay. He plays at 4 o'clock. He studies at 5 o'clock. He eats at 8 o'clock. So anything which is a routine, simply put an S. So my sister rings me up daily. Please complete these sentences also. They are just 4 more. In the same exercise, 4 more sentences with us. Finish writing? Two more are left. Tell me. They dash engage tomorrow. Yes.
And they will got.
And we are getting engaged tomorrow.
They are getting or they will get anything because it's tomorrow, it's future tense. You could have simply written they will get engaged tomorrow. I wish I were the PM. Whenever there is wish, with I always use I wish I were a bird. I wish I were the Prime Minister. I wish I were a king. So I wish I were the PM. What do you mean by PM?
Prime
What
Minister.
Yes, very good. Prime Minister. Good. How many of you want to be the PM? Nobody wants to be a PM. If you want to be the PM? If you want to become the Prime Minister? You want to become a Prime Minister?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to become?
No, your voice is not clear.
Okay, my voice is not clear. Lakshay, you want to be? Lakshay, do you
Yes,
want to be the
ma'am.
Prime Minister? Do you want to be the Prime Minister?
No, ma'am.
No, he does
Yeah,
not
ma'am.
want to be the Prime Minister. He's very clear about it. Karthikeya, you want to be the Prime Minister?
Better than PM.
No, ma'am.
Nobody wants to be the Prime Minister. Okay, Ishika? Ishika Verma,
Yes, ma'am.
you want to be the Prime Minister? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, thank God somebody wants to be the Prime Minister. So if you become the Prime Minister, Ishika, what is the first thing that you will do? What would you do? Tell me. Yes.
Ma'am, collection for future.
Okay. Very practical, eh? Good. Fine. Finish your written work quickly, beta. Then beta, finished? So let's do one more exercise. We still have time, about 10 minutes. This one. Just plan the answers for the first one. My friend Joy, the match, and happy family. These 3 paragraphs only. Just plan your answers. There is no need to write anything. Okay? Just plan your answers quickly. For the first 3 paragraphs, and then we'll do it. Yes, beta, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Speak. One of you start speaking. Others can help in the answer. Start, beta. Come on, any one of you start, speak. Nobody wants to speak. How is this possible?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, beta, please do it. I'm saying speak.
My friend Joy falls off the bicycle yesterday. He hurt his right
One by
elbow and
hold on, hold
and
on.
been and been on leave since then. The doctor just examined him and had advised him complete rest for fortnight. Joy were very upset at missing school.
Okay, children, can we discuss the answers one by one? What is the first
Yes,
one?
ma'am. Ma'am, false.
This is wrong. What should be the correct answer? Anyone?
Ma'am, fell.
Yes, because it is written yesterday. What is written? Yesterday. So yesterday it should not be false. It should be fell.
Fell.
What is the past tense of fall?
Fell.
Fell.
Good. But he tried it. That's nice. Okay, next. Next sentence.
Had hurt his right elbow.
Yes, he had hurt his right elbow and dash on leave then. Has been on leave since then. Has been on leave since then. The doctor has just examined him and advised him complete rest for a fortnight. Joy is very upset at missing school. Okay, I'll speak again. You write down these answers because you'll forget. My friend Joy fell off the bicycle yesterday. he had hurt his right elbow and is on leave since then. The doctor has just examined him and advised him complete rest for a fortnight. Joy is very upset at missing school. Please write down the answers for the first paragraph. Then we'll discuss the second one. Just the first one, beta.
Ma'am, can you tell the F1?
Yes, F1. Anyone would like to tell? Or
Ma'am,
should I?
was
Joy is very upset. Hey, beta is very upset. Joy is very upset at missing school. Finish writing the first one. Finish quickly, beta.
Ma'am, finished.
Okay. We have only 3 minutes. Post your work on the group, beta, because you'll have to go and join another class.
Okay,
Please
ma'am.
Yes, beta. Only 3 minutes are left. Hardly 3 minutes that too. Please post your work on the group. I'll keep checking there.
Ma'am, posted.
Please post your work on the group, children, quickly.
Ma'am, posted.
Very good. You can leave the meeting. Very nice. Hardly 30 seconds more. Keep posting, keep leaving.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you all, children.
Ma'am, posted.
Very good, beta.